Hey guys, welcome to Punky's World. We're going to talk about this here novel that I was given by my broker at the Department of Developmental Services. I'm going to set it over here because I am going to go through it. I need to message her Diane's email. So this will not be difficult. Even though the application is many pages, she tries to make it as easy and streamlined as possible. The other good thing is that I can have them working for me before they're fingerprinted. Whoops. Oh. Whoops. Before they're fingerprinted, because what they do is they have me sign a waiver saying, look, I know the person, I trust the person, just let me have somebody work for me. So excuse me. And because they were tired of waiting for the fingerprints to come back to get people hired, to get help for their clients. So they came up with this waiver system for their clients so that oh, you know what? This is perfect for my dresser. I need a handle for my dresser. That has a slightly bigger screw. So, I mean, the handle's going to look funny because it's big, but it'll work better. So let's put this over here. Okay, that's this pile. Now, pull this off. Uh-oh. I don't want nails on my carpet, if I can help it. I'm taking this apart because the other one's on its way. So, of course, if the other one doesn't come like it's supposed to, I'll be pissed. But anyway, how do I painted over the screws, didn't I? No, there's no screws in this part. Okay, let's turn this way. So yeah, I have a huge load of, okay, let me pull this back up. The easiest way to do this is to point and unscrew it. Whole load of people to go through. She'll actually be getting paid quite a bit more than she got paid for my mother, so. Oops. Okay. And we are going to assemble the other one on camera, of course. All right. There we go. All right. And out it goes. There we go. Now, these will come right up. There. Oh gosh, they're heavy. Not taking this all out to the dumpster today. It's just not happening. So, I need to stack this neatly. Ow. It's going to be bad enough that I'm going to have to somehow drag that other one in. But I'm not carrying this one out, too. Okay. So yeah, I don't even know why I vacuumed. I knew I was going to be doing this. Plus, there's going to be foam from the other one, so I'm not going to bother to vacuum. Because there's going to be foam. So, anyway. Alright. This is the drawer. These are the drawer parts. I'm going to pick up these bigger pieces that won't vacuum up anyway. Okay. Good. Now, here's the nail. That was kind of important. Alright. That was fast. That was pretty fast, guys. Okay. Now, things are going to get uploaded a little late because obviously I have to wait for that package to come in. Hopefully it won't come in too late. I don't know how Laser Ship or whatever the heck it is does it. I'm learning all these new shipping companies that I've never heard of. Laser Ship, On Track. I thought there were only 3. UPS, FedEx, and DHL. And DHL dealt with international, more or less. That's more or less what DHL is about. Or so I thought. But On Track does a lot of international as well. I don't know what Laser Ship is. So, my goodness gracious. Okay, I'm going to move this. This is my drill case. I don't think I'm going to be using it though, because last time that didn't work so well. Unless they're regular screws, I don't think I'll be using it. So, trying to catch my breath. Yeah, let me show you a close-up of what I'm dealing with. Yeah. So, that ought to be interesting to read. Anyway. Clamp that up. There we go. Okay, I'm just going to sit here and read that, highlight what I need to highlight, things like that, to talk to her about. I do want to send her Diane's email, because Diane said that's perfect. She got way less per hour working for my mother, so she's very happy. $23 an hour. That's going to be a good paycheck every 2 weeks. So. I need her for meds, especially. So. And laundry. Oh my goodness. Laundry. So. So, yeah. I think she's quite happy with it. I was looking at this side of the lens, and I can see my reflection and my 2 huge front teeth. That's so funny. Because it looks like it's like right in my face, but if you look at the viewfinder, it's not. So I should have my services within a month. So that'll be great. Provided everyone does what they're supposed to do. Beginning to think Sharon might not be the ideal backup person, but we'll see what happens. Because if she gets her phone shut off, then I can't get a hold of her. And that's not good for a backup person. So I'll have to see what I can do in those terms. But I wish I could have talked Bob into it. But anyway. So yeah, that meeting went exceptionally well. She has to get my budget approved, which should be pretty easy. And I will be seeing you guys as soon as that comes in. I'm very excited. I think it's going to work better for me. I can't wait to show it to you. Bye. God bless you. Please check out both channels and subscribe to both. Hit those bells. We're trying to get to 500 over there and 200 over here. We only need 52 more over here. Something like that. It's a small amount. Actually, I think is it 47? It's a small amount anyway. So we can do it. And over there, we need 117. Bye, guys. God bless you. Thank you for your support.